Hey everyone, and welcome to another one of my videos for my AI tailoring book that I'm creating. This is series part 3, so I'm really excited. So I'm just doing this video because I want to show you guys where I'm at with the interior, kind of the designs I've been getting, and how many tailoring book pages I have so far, and also that I ended up reaching the quota for the day. I honestly did not know that this was something that was going on with the beta. I thought I kind of had unlimited images, so I may not have been so picky if I knew that I would have been stopped for the day. I didn't actually read the whole beta thing yet, so I'm sure it says somewhere the amount that people are allowed to use per day. I'm hoping this means that by tomorrow I'll be able to use it again if I have time, but I just wanted to hop on and show you that there is a quota, so be mindful of that. I'm not sure what the quota is. I do have, I believe, about 20 images right now, and I definitely did not select all of them that I got. So the quota may be somewhere around 50. I'm not really sure though. I'll have to check on it. I did make this belongs to book page here. This book belongs to. I added a line for someone to write their name, and then I added this really cute butterfly image. So all I did to create that is I went to elements, I typed in line, and then the line came up. I typed in butterflies, and I think butterfly circle in this image came up. I locked it just so that it wouldn't move while I was editing the text and everything. And this is just text with a different font. Looks like it says Howl font and 33.8 for size. So then I kind of just put it where I felt like was a good area within the image and left it like that. You definitely don't have to do with this belongs to page. I just thought the design would look cute and some people like that. So then I added a blank page after that. I know people aren't going to be coloring the this belongs to page or this book belongs to page. I mean, they might, but the purpose of adding the blank page was so that the actual coloring pages are going to be on the right side of the book. And that's just a preference for me. I think it's easier and better to color on the right side of the page. Whenever there's images on the left, they just seem to be harder to color and the book tries to close and it makes things difficult. So I like to put them on the right. That's totally up to you. You don't even have to have a blank page if you don't want to, but this is kind of my preference and what I plan on doing. I'm not sure if it matters if you're lefty or righty. I'm a righty and I find it easier on the right side, so I'm not sure if maybe lefties finds it easier on the left side. I kind of would be interested to know. But for now, this is what I am doing. I have about 20 images so far, so I'll just give you guys a bit of a closer look and kind of explain to you one of the images that I'll show you here I kind of have an issue with. I'll just go over it when I get to it. But so these images are actually really nice. Like, I'm really impressed with what the AI has come up with. My only concern is they kind of look blurry to me, like on my screen. I don't know if they just look blurry because like I'm in Canva, but the more I zoom in, the more blurry they look. So I'm a bit worried that they're going to print blurry, but I guess we'll see what happens. Other than that, I honestly think this is going to cut down on time creating coloring books, or if you're just looking for some sort of images, but you don't want to put it all together, you can just type it in and get it within a few seconds. I think it's going to help people, especially in the KDP community, tremendously. And it seemed to pop out something different every time, which is really nice too. So this is the image that I was talking about. I probably have more on here I have to go through, but you can see it doesn't go all the way to the end of the border. And that's just because when the AI pops it out, it doesn't always put it to like the full size. Sometimes it has borders on the edges already, which have caused problems with me, or this one just stops and then it's just like a plain white background. So this one I may have to delete or kind of edit and try to figure it out. So that is one kind of issue I've had, is just the size. There isn't like any way to decide the size, or say if you don't want a border or if you want it to go all the way to the edge. So that's kind of one thing that I'm just having to watch. But overall, the images are great. I'm definitely going to be editing the interior some more, and like I said, hopefully adding at least 5 more images here. But overall, I am super happy with how this is coming along, and I am just really, really excited. So if you've tried making any sort of AI book yet, please let me know in the comments. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on it or feedback. and I'm just really excited to kind of see how this book turns out. And I really hope that the quota is only for today, so hopefully by tomorrow I'm allowed to use more. So thank you so much for watching and listening, and I hope you have a great day.